Nigeria, not now, but she will pay heavily when Biafra is finally restored, which I know Biafra is finally restored. Government abroad will actually come back home. For us, that is a university graduate, that he has pen and biro to write, that she know how to write English or maybe Finland language, but he cannot be able to write to tell Finland government how they are killing people in Southeast. He will not, she will not write and tell federal government to remove checking points, remove army occupation from Biafra land or Southeast, South, how they call it. She cannot write that. She cannot write about Mpo Junction massacre, Operation Patondas massacre, Operation Crocodile's massacre. He cannot write to United Nations about it. She cannot write to Commonwealth about it. She cannot write to AU about it. When they reach in this area, Bianca will not know. Bianca will not know how to hold barrel again. Her barrel will lose. Her barrel will break, and her papers will tear. But if it's come to write against Biafra, write against nnamdikanu, write against Ekpa, she will pick it quick and do it. Paying heavily is law of nature. It's law of karma, even in the Bible. In Galatians chapter 6, verse 7, verse 6 to 8 to 9, it said, do not be deceived, for God is not mocked. Whatever a man sow, that will he reap. Whatever a man sow, that will he reap. You understand? And in the book of Luke, he say, what you expect others to do for you, do it. What you expect to do to others, or what you expect others to do you first, you first of all do it to others. Now, if you expect other people to do you good, first of all, show other people good. And whatever good you show to other people, by and by it shall come back to you. But when you want to show other people good, instead of to show other people good, show other people bad. That time, those people you show bad may be feeling the pain, and you may be enjoying. But when the case, when the repercussion, when the law of karma, when the law of nature will turn boom around, that time the people that are in the front, marching forward, left, right, marching forward. When you hear about turn, those people in the front will be at the back. Those people at the back, at the initial stage, will be in the front. That's law. That's law of nature. Law of nature is just like law of gravity. Whatever you throw up must surely come down. So whatever any man doing, he must surely receive it. Some will pay double, more than double. Like Bianca's own issue. Like on Bianca's side. Time shall come. Time shall come. You should take Rogers to learn a lesson. Rogers do whatever he did. At the end, is it not the same EFCC, Nigerian government body, arrest Rogers? Rogers was in Abuja, in his own mansion, crying, God to save me, oh, God to deliver me. That day, Rogers remember God. That day, Rogers called God. But they take hammer, sledgehammer, chisel, break the door. The door wasn't able to be break. They uproot roof, a whole senator, they remove his roof and enter, jump inside that place and arrest him. If it's not that money talks, baby, by now he could have been in CB in cell. Look at it. Ojukwu, remember the time they arrest him and jail him? It was the same Nnamdikanu who shouted to Nigeria before he was released. So Bianca Ono Ojukwu, her own will not be exemption. Let her do whatever she wants to do. Let her do whatever her paymaster have employed her to do. All I know, I am telling her that whosoever throw ball on a wall, that ball must surely bounce back to him. You understand? So people that say he will pay heavily, she may pay more than heavily. She may pay more than heavily. And I heard that she told Ngozi Orabeze. I had it, which I commented on it. She told Ngozi Orabeze that she should stop Monday sit at home. Otherwise, she will put her where he put Samuel Ekpa. She will put Ngozi Orabeze where she put Samuel Ekpa. That's what I heard they said, which they asked me, I comment on it. Which means she's proud that she have done it. She's proud that she have done it. But let me tell you, by God's grace, if someone Ekpa come out from that place, because now Nigeria government don't have any backup, any evidence to prove that what they accuse someone Ekpa, what Bianca have wrote on her petition, that he can Bianca have proved to us that he's a university graduate, that he has pen and biro to write, that she know how to write English or maybe Finland language, but he cannot be able to write to tell Finland government how they are killing people in Southeast. She will not write and tell federal government to remove checking points, remove army occupation from Biafra land or Southeast, South, how they call it. She cannot write that. She cannot write about Mpo Junction massacre, Operation Patton Das massacre, Operation Crocodile massacre. He cannot write to United Nations about it. She cannot write to Commonwealth about it. She cannot write to AU about it. When they reach in this area, Bianca will not know how to hold barrel again. Her barrel will lose. Her barrel will break, and her papers will tear. But if he's come to write against Biafra, write against nnamdikanu, write against Samuel Ekpa, she will pick it quick and do it. She cannot to tell you the deceit, to tell you the hypocrites Igbo leaders, Igbo elites are playing. Be it a man, be it a woman. Immediately they start receiving that Ojemma. They start receiving it. Their head will come out. Then this one will answer Kubani chief priest. This one will answer Amadioha. This one will answer Ogugu. This one will answer Ajimri. 1, 2, small time now. Bianca may go, or Igbo, give her red cap because she have done their wish. She become a one in Kembo of Igbo land. That's what they're looking for. Unnecessary title and to show that high. She cannot write and tell Nigeria government that they're going house to house, bombing common people buildings, bombing church, bombing hospital, bombing school. It's abomination. It's against human rights. Last time it was Uruala. As I saw in net, Uruala, they went, Niger tanks and the Niger troops went and bulldozer the wall, enter, destroy seminary, destroy convent where sisters are staying, destroy churches, destroy Reverend Father building, pull it down. Bianca will not see that one and write and comment. And Nigerian media, Nigerian people will never write something like this. Bianca, appointment she received, money she's collecting is against Biafra, against Samuel Ekpa, against Biafra government in Ezan. And she went to Owerri the day that his partner or her partner or best of the same faith that flocks together or Wazirike, they were holding a parade saying they are doing Ojukwu Day. She went there and said, promise them, promise the Igbos, promise Biafrans, she will do whatever it takes to bring nnamdikanu out, for tinubu to bring nnamdikanu out, to do whatever it takes to bring nnamdikanu back. It's vice versa. She do whatever it takes to make sure Europe Samuel Ekpa in. You see their promise. You see their ways.
You know, that you feel that Ekpa is a bad guy here, that is his own form or type of agitation is illegal or is not doing the right thing. Do you not think that's why they're against him?
If Samuel Ekpa is bad guy because he's asking for the freedom of Biafrans, Then Ojukwu also is a bad guy. Her late husband is also a bad guy. Nnamdikanu, whom she said, I will do everything to bring her out, to bring him out. Which means Nnamdikanu also is a bad guy. If someone Ekpa is a bad guy because he's asking for Biafran freedom, her father Christian Ono is also a bad guy. Sisi Ono is also a bad guy because Ono was a colonel in Biafran army. Ono was a colonel in Biafran army. Okay, if someone Ekpa who did not declare war is a bad guy, her husband Ojukwu who declared war for 3 years, now who is the most bad guy? But we reference Ojukwu, the whole world reference Ojukwu because they know that what Ojukwu did was right. And the whole world is referencing someone Ekpa because they know that what the Ekpa is doing is right. Now, the whole world references Nnamdikanu because they know that what Nnamdikanu is doing is right. Then why should Bianca come in? And the legacy of her husband, she's right up to destroy it. Someone Ekpa is her husband brought up. Nnamdikanu is her husband brought up. Owazirike is her husband brought up. Although that one followed the footsteps of Ohanes indeed. But the three of them are Ojukwu brought up because it was his legacy. It was his foundation, his ideology that they're following. To show you that Bianca Ono Ojukwu don't know what she's doing. She's after money, after her belly. Because it's a jobless.
But do you not think we should, with what people are saying on social media, do you not think it's better for them to wait and for her to come out and kind of put things right by telling the people that she was not involved in this?
Where will she stand to say it? Well, as the Kubo have called her name, called Delilah.
But aside the Kubo, they talk active, he talks too much.
I told you that very day that as the Kubo is a Clary, he talks more than Clary, but this time around it's true. Because DOS have been using him. Him and DOS have been working hand in hand. And as the Kubo vow that he must surely fetch someone Ekpa. He must surely deal with someone Ekpa. As he deal with Nnamdikanu. As the boss said this, he said he smoke Nnamdikanu out and bring him down to Nigeria. And likewise, he will smoke someone Ekpa out and bring him down to Nigeria. And the DOS have been working with Asidukubo. This he can go rag DOS, Delilah, which change. They were people that sit down with Letifa Yuba and the other Igbo politicians to plan how to kidnap Nnamdikanu, which all of them did not debunk. None of them debunk it. Have you ever seen any Igbo man who suppose have right to challenge Asidukubo have come out and challenge Asidukubo? Because if they go to challenge him, he will expose them more. You know their secret. I will tear Igbo man. I will sell Igbo man. I will betray Igbo man. Igbo like money. Now people like us, they reply him because we have no connection with him. But those who have connection with him, who are in corridor of power, who can challenge him? Do you see anybody challenging him? Even the latest Zife, Akwadike, when he was alive. Do you see people like that challenging him? Emmanuel Wanya, Wahanes and Igbo, do you see them challenging him? Igbo senators, do you see them challenging him? Because they knew that he knows the secret. If they mess up, he will expose their nyash. Their annuals, people will see it. This is why they don't challenge him. This is why I know that as he mentioned Bianca, okay, since all these days, why not have mentioned Bianca? Since all these days, why not have mentioned Bianca? Why not he mention Bianca? I told you that there will never be a smoke without fire. What? How can she come and debunk? But the only mistake as the Kubo did, that of letter or where they wrote their statement, he said he misplaced.
Does that not show that he's lying?
He may not lie. He may not lie. It do happen to human being. If he look well, if he search well, it may be in one of his files, but he cannot locate it. I am not there. But I know that it do happen to human being. You take left hand, you drop it, you forget where you drop it. You understand? So how can he come out and say as if the boy is saying telling lie? Okay, he mentioned Ikengu Raga, and Ikengu Raga be fighting with Simon against Simon. That instead of Biafra to come from Simon Ekpa, let the Biafra scatter, let it not to get head. And the Ikengu Raga was among them with Afidukubo that betrayed Nnamdikanu, and the Ikengu Raga and Chinchi, Delilah, Uchechi, working hand to hand. All of them are federal government working hand to hand. How can they deny it? It's true. There's no lie. So, if I'm telling you honestly, if Bianca come out and deny that it's not true, which means stand to tell as Ojukwu, we are telling lie, and as Ojukwu will come more to expose her more. As Ojukwu will come out and expose her more. You understand? Therefore, she will feel that it's better for her to keep silent, not to talk. When people talk, the matter will die like that. But I am telling you, the matter will not die like that. It have entered in a book of record against her. Not in Nigeria, not now, but she will pay heavily when Biafra is finally restored, which I know Biafra is finally restored. Government abroad will surely come back home. Government abroad will surely come back home. Wait, let someone come out. Because I know that Nnamdikanu will not come out because it's already in Nigeria's hand. But let someone come out. Because I believe that if Nigeria don't have any case again, ICC have called them, they refuse to go. Finnish government have called them, they refuse to go. Do you think that they will keep someone for detention like Nnamdikanu? No, they will set him free. If you cannot present evidence of whom you lay allegation or accuse against him, God will decide the case. God will touch the case off. We touch it off. So Finland is still waiting for Nigeria. ICC is waiting for Nigeria. Let them go. Let them not to go. Someone will come out. And when someone will come out, now this time around, nobody again can stop him. Because you made him to be wild. Because you have exposed yourself that someone is no more terrorist. That what someone is doing is right. That is why you are not able to persecute him. Therefore, someone will stand on your failure. And accomplish what God has created him to accomplish. You accomplish it. By that time, it was that time that Biafra will come to be restored fully. And that time, Bianca, Ojukwu will start paying the price. She will pay the price. And not only her, all of them that betrayed Nnamdikanu, all of them that betrayed Simon Ekpa, all of them that are working for the downfall of Biafra, that Biafra will never restore. Both the people that do their own openly and people do their own secretly, their sin will find them out. There's no place to hide. There's no place to hide. You understand? No place to hide. You understand? Then them and Biafra government of that time will start doing the check and balance. They will come and answer their mouths with their mouth. They will come and express themselves. That time, most of them will come out like Achinike Udenwa, former governor of Imo State. In his own time, he was the first governor to order the killing of agitators in Owerri. He ordered the killing of Mozob under Owazirike. After his 8 years finished, he came and called Mozob group, called Owazirike and other Igbo leaders. Please forgive me. It's a mistake. I was misled by your Obasanjo. That's why I did what I did. Please forgive me. You know, we are the same. We are the same brother. That time they come to attending apology like him, but that time it will be too late. That time it will be too late. They will not find easy. And that time, it was the time that Bianca Ojukwu, we know that she's a woman that bent down before she will urinate. She's a woman that bends her down before she will. That time you know the differences. That time you know that the respect given to her husband is not her. That respect given to her husband that Igbos transfer to her will be withdrawn. That we know that time we will come to tell her that when Ojukwu declare war, when Ojukwu lead the Biafra, you are not his wife. They haven't born you that time. The people that is his wife, if they are still alive, is the people we give the honor. After all, you are a ceremonial wife. You are not the original wife of Ojukwu. Ojukwu get two wives before her. She's another ceremonial wife. When Ojukwu is going on occasion, he hook hand with her and go, because others have become aged. That time we let her to know that Ojukwu family, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu family, that she is the least there. She is the least there. Debe, this first son of Ojukwu, I think is late now. Debe Ojukwu, you know how many years it takes to senior Bianca? When was Bianca born? When was Bianca? Bianca was born after the war. Neither let's maybe 70s or late 70s, she was born. Then come to point a hand in the eyes of Biafra. Want to keep the tongue of Biafra out of mouth. Don't you know that Simon Ekpa is the tongue of Biafra? As Nnamdikanu, they have heard him. Simon Ekpa now is the tongue of Biafra. They want to put Biafra, the tongue of Biafra, out of the mouth of Biafra. God will never allow her to succeed. This one she have done. She never goes scot-free. Time shall come. Not now. I'm not praying that they should kill him. They should kill her. But time shall come. Time shall come when she will regret what she did. Money cannot save her at that time. Money cannot save her at that time. That tinubu will be in Nigeria. Bianca will pay the consequences in Biafra. Let me know whether Tinubu government or Nigerian government will come and rescue her.